Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I'm bringing you a consumer advisory warning about Muncle mics. Okay, so I've seen this guy's advertisements around on Facebook and Instagram and other places. And the other day I went and looked, and I'll get to this in a little bit, but I went and looked at his website and I noticed something that I'll get to. Okay. So it seems to me like this guy is buying parts and things from different places and paying retail for them and then jacking the prices up double or more in some cases. And I saw his advertisement on Facebook today, and I put a comment on there about the prices. And he proceeded to suggest that I return to the truck stop bathroom that I came from and called me an idiot. Okay. So, and I would show that, but I blocked the ad on Facebook, and it also gives my personal information about who I am on there. So some of you guys know me, you know who I am, know my real name and everything. But, you know, with the way the internet is and anonymity, you know, you don't want to give everybody your identity. So to that end, to protect that. But what I'm going to do is show you what I noticed and why you should be better educated about where you're getting your parts from and why I would not suggest buying anything from this guy. But first, let's scroll down to here to the reviews. So this is his Facebook page. And the first review is, "Don't order from Muncle Mics. They raised the price 50% after 1 month. Told me I was locked in at the previous price and charged me the new price anyway. When I complained, Mike canceled my membership without refunding my money or sending out my kit and stopped all communication. Dude is unprofessional and doesn't deserve your business." Here we go. "It's sad that my wife had to post this because Mike blocked me from posting and won't return my emails or phone calls. Your husband is a complete tool and was canceled, blocked, and deleted. I'm glad neither of you will be black." I'm not going to read any more reviews. Okay, that's enough. Right here, this is what we're going to look at. He's listing these as custom Hot Wheels / Matchbox rubber tires and wheels, rubber tires and chrome 5-spoke deep dish wheels, 10mm, 12mm. All right. Nothing about what brand these are, where they came from, or anything. $7.50 for one set. Okay? These are Samed wheels. Alright? I have some right here. I bought on eBay, and I don't know if you can see this. Let's get some light on there. I bought these on eBay for around $3 a set. You guys are rip-off. Avoiding. Thank you.